I am here to teach you how to make a DIY race car. Materials needed: wooden clothespin, string or yarn, 4 buttons, drinking straw, glue. 1. Procedures. 1. Insert one string into a hole in one of the buttons. 2. Twist through a second hole back through the other side of the button. 3. Twist the 2 pieces at the back of the button together tightly. 4. Thread one of the straw pieces into the twist tie. 5. Thread the open end of the twist tie through the second button. Then thread it back through the second hole and twist it together, like you did in step 3. Six. Repeat steps 1 to 5 for the second pair of buttons. 7. Open the clothespin and place the straw from one set of wheels in the hole of the clothespin opening. Close the clothespin . The twist tie should be able to turn freely inside the straw. 8. Dab a white glue to the back of the clothespin near the spring. 9. Insert the second set of wheels into the handle end of the clothespin and push it toward the spring into the glue. That's it. This is my DIY race car.